This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Control, Bay 2 flow is steady at 80%. No issues.
Copy that, Bay 2. Motor approachment for translevel rising as expected.
Control, Supervisor here. Intake rate is steady at 120 cubic meters per hour.
Copy, Supervisor. Proceed with mixing.
Affirmative. Slurry is uniform, aiming to transfer in 30 minutes. Okay, tanker is hooked up, starting transfer now.
Weighbridge clear. Net weight is 14,700 kilos. Sample collected for batch WC 2047.
Okay, intake is steady. Keep the flow balanced.
This is the first chapter, where agricultural waste begins its transformation into clean energy.
Rotor's clear, initiating spin.
Look at that precision. The blade geometry is flawless. The facility's generators produce 100 megawatts, enough to power 80,000 homes continuously.
Levels are stable, initiating full sequence. Copy that, monitoring. All sets at full output, power is flowing.
Welcome. This is the hidden reality, how animal waste is transformed into the electricity powering our homes and businesses. Welcome. This is where organic waste begins its transformation into clean energy. The biogas is then refined for electricity process. This facility transforms raw agricultural waste into clean electricity at industrial scale, showcasing sustainable technology that turns biological byproducts into valuable energy for the grid. This facility processes 500,000 tons of waste annually, generating 50 megawatts of electricity and offsetting 200 collection to grid distribution, stage by stage. This diagram outlines the biogas process, from farm waste to gridware, the feedstock for the process. A partnership provides the farm with revenue while securing a reliable supply.
All set, vessel is sealed tight, no leaks. Confirmed, ready to roll. Safe trip, see you at the facility. You too, heading out now. Here's the manifest for the delivery. Thank you. You're cleared for Weighbridge and Bay 3. Connection complete, initiating transfer. Connection secured, starting transfer. The collection service is reliable, and it's great knowing
The organic material must be sorted and pre-treated before entering the digesters. The shredder reduces large fibrous chunks to a uniform consistency for efficient pumping. The operator adjusts the feed rate, responding to the motor's current draw. This increases the surface area for biogas production. In pre-treatment, diverse organic materials are blended into a uniform slurry for optimal digestancy. Did you know, raw material dry matter varies from 10 to 50%, while the target is 12 to 15? Confirmed. Organic waste from animal systems undergoes thermal hygienization, heating to 70 degrees Celsius for 1 hour to destroy pathogens, as required by EU regulations for biogas safety. The sorting and pre-treatment stage transforms raw materials into consistent slurry through disciplined, simultaneous operations. This mechanical preparation is the foundation for efficient biogas conversion. This is the heart of the facility, where biological processes transform waste into energy. Microorganisms break down organic matter in the absence of real oxygen, optimizing for maximum efficiency. The automated system feeds pre-treated slurry from the pump into the digestion tanks at a controlled rate, checking the feedstock volume for each tank.
Adjusting for the slight deviation. Did you know the digesters are held at 37 degrees Celsius, the perfect temperature for methane-producing microbes? A few degrees off can reduce methane output, our sister's efficient biogas production. From the control room, we monitor the tank, but to understand the process, we must go inside. Here, inside the drain tank, we see the scale. The heating panels and mixing paddles are key to the process. The process engineer reviews the key indicators: biogas rate, methane levels, VF inversion of fitness period. This biogas is steady to the heart of the process, transforming waste into methane for energy. Raw biogas from digestion tanks is saturated with water vapor. This must be removed to prevent corrosion and maintain energy content. Technicians confirm flow during routine checks. This is the hydrogen sulfide removal stage using a biological reactor. The bacteria convert H2S to elemental sulfur with controlled air injection. Here, the H2S is reduced from 450 to just 5 parts per million. The gas chromatograph is the primary analytical instrument for biogas composition monitoring. An alarm simulation test verifies the system's protective response. This transforms waste into precision fuel. This concludes the gas purification stage. Now, the purified biogas, the result of a remarkable biological transformation, begins its final journey to the generators for conversion into electricity. Welcome to the electricity generation section. This is our fuel supply infrastructure. The biogas pipeline feeds through precision generator valves. On my inspection, I check temperatures, listen for issues, and verify power production. This is the control room managing the plant's electrical output. The automatic voltage regulator maintains stable output. A synchronization sequence brings a generator online. Did you know this powers 50,000 homes annually?
A maintenance engineer collects oil samples for analysis.
Sample from Gen 1 complete. Moving to the next. Iron levels in Gen 1 are elevated. Schedule a bearing inspection.
Inspection log for ACE3 complete. Produces 28,500 kilowatts, powering 14,000 homes. This is the extraordinary culmination of the transformation of agricultural waste into electrical energy. In combined heat and power, biogas fuel produces electricity and heat. Heat recovery systems capture thermal energy from exhaust and cooling, distributing it across the facility for greater efficiency. This facility repasses through an exchanger, transferring energy to the site's hot water system. Thermal imaging shows the cooling spot of the coolant exhaust, maintaining optimal biological conditions. This is the engine cooling water heat recovery system, capturing thermal energy from the engine cooler design to maximize heat transfer efficiency. The metering display shows the total thermal kilowatts required.
Reviewing the heat distribution. Each consumer's temperature and flow are within specified ranges. Automated valves are balancing the network. Overall system efficiency is optimal. The combined efficiency is 92%. The exhaust and cooling water heat recovery systems are contributing equally to
Facility into an exceptional performer. The Digestate processing area transforms organic residue from digestion into a high-quality biofertilizer. Modern centrifuges and screw presses separate the nutrient-rich liquid nutrients.
This is the decanter. It uses high-speed rotation to separate the digestate. Here is the dewatered solid fraction. In the lab, we analyze the nutrient content of both fractions. This ensures consistent quality. This facility processes agricultural waste into biofertilizer. In the adjacent composting area, windrows are turned to accelerate maturation. This creates a nutrient-rich product, closing the agricultural cycle.
Each Digestate batch undergoes sampling and analysis to meet strict quality protocols for a complete analytical suite. Compliance is verified before dispatch. Advisors guide farmers on optimal application for real agricultural benefit. The Digestate products are the material evidence of our circular economy ambition. We transform agricultural waste through anaerobic digestion, producing essential high-quality organic fertilizer products that return the nutrients to productive agricultural use, closing the loop in a sustainable system. This is the final link, high-voltage switchgear connecting the facility's renewable electricity to the national grid. The grid connection point is where power enters the public supply system. This control room is the nerve center, monitoring the entire waste-to-energy process.
Alert, H2S is trending up, initiating field inspection.
Human judgment integrates with automation for continuous optimization.
Grid operator portal is up, checking our 24-hour schedule. Confirmed, real-time output is tracking the schedule precisely. Rec generation is on track. Certificates will be issued. Emissions are stable. NOx is at 45 ppm, well below the 50 ppm. Good. And the community data? All clear. Air, noise, and water are within limits. Finalizing the report now. Excellent.
Closing the loop between agricultural waste and renewable energy. the human reality behind continuous, reliable, renewable electricity generation around the clock. The electrical generation data shows consistent performance, with brief dips from maintenance. Yes, but we're still tracking ahead of our annual target overall. The biogas trials suggest an 8% yield increase with a new blend. Let's evaluate that. Team, let's review the engagement metrics. Visitor numbers are up. The open day was a success.
This is our waste reception area. It all starts here.
Our monitoring shows service has been a huge help. Great fertilizer. This facility embodies sustainable innovation, transforming organic matter into clean energy and showcasing a remarkable stride toward a greener future.
Our data shows we can significantly increase our capacity. Growth in agricultural waste, better commercial terms, and demand for biofertilizer make a strong case for expansion.
While Diesel will to clean energy and valuable inputs, a testament to advanced technology, biological science, and engineering excellence in the renewable energy transition and circular economy. Biogas production is trending down, consistent with early morning patterns. I'll log this and prepare a handover note for the day shift. We'll need to review the feedstock schedule to stabilize output.
Night shift summary, all parameters stable, one digester temp spike to 38 at 1:30.
Understood. Any issues with the pumps?
No, pump's normal, log is updated.
Got it. Thanks.
Good, proceed with the daily check.
This new substrate could significantly boost our biogas yield.
The trial data is promising. Production is up, matching our projections.
It validates our technical foundation for long-term sustainability.
Our feedstock analysis confirms our sustainability. And the accreditation is official. The certificate shows full compliance.
This is a huge milestone for us.
And the renewed certification. Thank you. This validates our work. This certification is a testament to our team's dedication.
An achievement for all of us.
Behind every megawatt hour is a team of dedicated professionals whose daily commitment to excellence is the foundation of our success. This facility is not an intrusion into the landscape, but a vital part of its agricultural ecosystem, harnessing biological activity in harmony with the surrounding fields. This dashboard presents the facility's remarkable annual achievements: 150,000 tons of waste processed, generating 24,000 megawatt hours of electricity, and avoiding integrating biological, mechanical, and electrical systems at this scale
Is the exciting challenge that makes our work rewarding.
Our sustainability credentials go beyond compliance. It's meaningful work here. Our process is positive for the environment. From waste reception to power generation, this facility transforms organic material into clean electricity, completing the cycle in one seamless, efficient journey. At dawn, this facility transforms agricultural waste into clean energy, embodying human ingenuity and a sustainable future. From waste to watts, this is the power of innovation for our planet.